Hey guys, it's Phae and this is Day with Phae. Today I'm going to be doing some lip swatches for you guys from Kylie Cosmetics winter collection from 2019. Specifically, I'm going to be swatching the Naughty List lip kit and the mini lip collection. Timestamps are going to be in the description below if you're looking for a specific piece of information, but I really urge you to listen to this next part. So this actually might be my last Kylie Cosmetics video. As I'm sure most of you guys know, Kylie Jenner sold 51% of Kylie Cosmetics to Coty, which is a big beauty conglomerate. So according to these infographics, which I got from a Bloomberg news reporter, these are some slideshows from the Coty presentation for Kylie Cosmetics, where it looks like, based on these infographics, that they're really highly considering expanding into China. Now the thing about this is if Kylie Cosmetics does expand into China, currently the Chinese government requires animal testing to be done for all imported cosmetics and any special use cosmetics, regardless of where they were manufactured. I know that the Chinese government, may change that, but as of now, this is what it is. Something that has been increasingly important to me and something that I am trying to do in my own life is not support companies that do test on animals or things that involve animal cruelty. Now, I know that when I started my YouTube channel, it wasn't like that. Recently and going forward, it will be like that. My biggest question was, is Kylie Cosmetics going to remain cruelty-free? Because as of now, according to them, they do not test on animals and they closely monitor the ingredients that they get so that they are also not tested on animals as well. So I tweeted them and I tweeted underneath the response, I said, excited, but I want to know, it seems like Coty is eyeing the Chinese market for Kylie Cosmetics. Will Kylie Cosmetics remain cruelty-free and not test on animals? Please let me know. Now, the thing that was really shady to me was that they did not answer my tweet. They answered all the people who responded after me besides me. And that didn't sit well with me. I feel like if you were going to for sure remain animal cruelty free, why wouldn't you want that to be your answer? Of course, we're always going to remain cruelty free because that's good press. So the fact that they didn't answer, at least to me, it's fishy. Someone else on my YouTube channel in a comment said that they reached out to Kylie Cosmetics as well on their Instagram if they're gonna be testing on animals, and apparently they deleted their comment, which is, again, really, really weird and it doesn't sit right with me. So I emailed their customer service email just to see if maybe they can give me an official answer. So my email was, "Hi there, I know Kylie Cosmetics was recently purchased by Coty Inc. for 51% of the company. I just want to double check that Kylie Cosmetics will remain cruelty-free and not test on animals. Please let me know." Their answer was, "Thanks for reaching out to us regarding this topic. Kylie Cosmetics does not test on animals. We also work closely with our suppliers to ensure our ingredients are not tested on animals. Best." So on the surface, that looks like a good response, but they didn't answer my question, which was, is it going to remain this way with this acquisition? Instead, they were like, "Oh, we have been doing it this way," and that's not my question, which to me seems like they don't know. And Coty has a lot of brands that are in the beauty industry, and they do have CoverGirl, and CoverGirl is actually one of the biggest brands that are Leaping Bunny certified, which is one of the best certifications out there because they actually check to see randomly, sporadically, that you are actually cruelty-free. Does Coty plan to certify other brands as cruelty-free? They say, absolutely, we're going to explore certifying other brands, and we are committed to at least one additional Coty brand becoming Leaping Bunny certified by 2020. And they say that they're committing to play a part in ending all animal testing in the beauty industry, but obviously they still, in places where it is required, they still participate in that. It's great that you say, hey, we're going to try to move towards all of our brands becoming cruelty-free in the long term. My question is, if that really truly is your plan, and if Kylie Cosmetics already is cruelty-free, they're not Leaping Bunny certified and they should be, why would you take a brand that already doesn't test on animals and then make it test on animals? That to me does not equate to, oh, we're trying to transition. I think that if you are trying to make other brands be cruelty-free, well, great. So now you have this new brand. Let's get it Leaping Bunny certified and just keep moving forward with that. But the fact that they did highlight China makes me think that that is not going to be the case. If I had to guess, I actually called them. I called their customer service hotline. I talked to them. I said, what are your guys' plans with Kylie Cosmetics? Let me know. I want to know if it's still going to be cruelty-free, because that's really important to me. And she gave me, you know, the same spiel, like that's their end goal for all their brands, but as of right now, they don't know exactly with what they're going to do with Kylie Cosmetics in that realm for another month or two. Okay, there's still hope, but I don't feel good about it. So I'm telling you guys right now, if Kylie Cosmetics begins testing on animals at any point, and I know about it, I'm not purchasing from them anymore. Kylie Cosmetics has been such a big deal to me throughout my life, and I know that's such a outrageous statement, but you know, it's helped me found a lot of confidence within myself, and it's the main reason I started my YouTube channel. So I have a really big place for Kylie Cosmetics in my heart, but at the end of the day, you know, as fun makeup can be, all that jazz, animals' lives are more important than lipstick, more important than a makeup product, you know? And that's just how I feel about it. If you want Kylie Cosmetics to remain cruelty-free and not test on animals, let's do something about it. I know that I am a small YouTube channel of 3,000 subscribers, but if even 10% of you guys tweeted at them or left a response on their Instagram photos or their tweets, I think that the tweets are more effective because you can't delete tweets, but you can delete Instagram comments. But it's still good for exposure and visibility. If we show Coty like, hey, this is really important to us, it's a make or break deal with us, then I think that really can affect change and solidify that they should not be testing on animals, because brands are gonna go wherever the money is, and if they realize they're gonna suffer a huge loss from all of a sudden testing on animals, then I think it's worthwhile of them knowing that now. And if you want, when you respond to any Kylie Cosmetics new tweet, tag me in it, put at Hey It's Phae, that's my Twitter, and I will like it, I will retweet it so that we can bump it up there so that people can see it. Same thing on Instagram, you can comment under their photo, you can at me on Instagram, which is the same thing, and I'll like it, again, just so that we can get more visibility on it. And at that point, because people keep bringing it up, they're going to have to talk about it and give a real answer, and not like, oh, maybe, or yeah, we have done that in the past. Like, no, I want a real legitimate answer. And if by some chance they're watching this video, Kylie Cosmetics is watching this video, Coty Cosmetics is watching this video, it's almost 2020. We don't need to be doing this. It's so inhumane, it's ridiculous, it's such an archaic thing. There are much better ways to test your beauty cosmetics than on an animal. Like, let's be the example. Let's make it Leaping Buddy certified, and let's continue this movement. Like, if you guys are actually serious about it, I want you guys to walk the walk, not just talk the talk. If you guys listen to that whole thing, I really appreciate it. It's something that's super important to me, and I hope that they continue not testing on animals. And if it is like that, I will continue doing lip swatches for you guys, giving reviews, all that jazz. So without further ado, we're gonna start the lip swatch video. And hopefully this is not my last lip swatch video for you guys from Kylie Cosmetics. So first up, I'm gonna be doing some lip swatches from the mini lip collection. I'm gonna do swatch comparisons too, but that's gonna be towards the end of the video. And I'm gonna do swatches inside, indoors, and also outdoor lighting, because I know that the colors are different in different lighting. So I wanna give you guys a full picture. The packaging is really beautiful. I love these lips that are sparkly. I personally like when they have new colors all in the mini lip collection because it's fun, and sometimes we influence what becomes a permanent color based on everyone's reaction. The first color that I'm swatching for you guys is Snowman Szn. And Snowman Szn is a matte, warm, peachy nude. Okay, so I personally really love this color. Sometimes with peachy nudes, they can be a little bit too light for fair skin, but personally, I think that this is a gorgeous color. It's basically at the end of the spectrum of how light something can be for my skin for me to feel like, okay, I'm still cool with it, but I think it's beautiful and stunning, and honestly, I would love for this to be a permanent shade. Next up, we have Team Santa. And Team Santa is a matte, soft, rosy nude. So I love this color. I think this color is beautiful and would look good on a lot of different skin tones. I am very curious to see how it compares to the other nudes that I have because it does kind of remind me of some nudes. I can't remember off the top of my head, but there's definitely going to be a swatch comparison. Stunning, beautiful. I'm obsessed with it. The next color that we're going to be doing is Kylie Klaus. And Kylie Klaus is a metallic red with bronze rosy gold pearls.
Ryan Little.
So this color is a really pretty metallic. Personally, I'm not a huge fan of metallics because it's just personal preference. But I think if I was a fan of metallics, I would like this. But personally, if I was going to use this, I would use this as a topper, pretty much just in the center. But I wouldn't use it as an overall lip color. I feel like it's a little too busy on my face personally. The next color I'm gonna be doing for you guys is Rosy Cheeks. And Rosy Cheeks is a matte mid-tone blue pink. I think that this color is so beautiful, so stunning. I think it's a shade that you could wear all year round. I love how it looks like with my look, with my eye look, with my outfit. I think it is so cute. I hope that this one definitely becomes a permanent shade. I think it's stunning. And next up, we're going to swatch Santa's Real. And this is a matte, warm raspberry red.
Say you gotta wait out. We could buy a big house for two. We could be on the news.
I think that this is a really nice strawberry rose color. Honestly, I picture this more for like spring and summer than winter. It's a little bit lighter than what I expect, but at the same time, I do remember last year for Kylie's winter collection, it was the same thing. It was kind of colors that you could wear year round pretty much, or brighter colors than you would typically expect, I think traditionally for a winter collection for lipsticks. And onto the last lipstick from the minis. Last up, we have Keep the Receipt, which is a matte, and Keep the Receipt is a vibrant reddish orange. So this is definitely an orangey red, more so towards the reddish side versus the orange side. Definitely when I see this color, I think summer, not winter, but that's okay. I think that this color is definitely unique. I don't think that I can wear it around this time, but it's a nice color. I'm glad there's at least like one color that's like a pop of color that's a little bit different versus like nude. Although I do love some colors that you can wear every single day. Obviously the metallic you can't really wear every day. I mean, you can, but I do appreciate that most of these you can wear almost all the time. But I also like that there's two like fun colors. That's my jam. I don't know if she's going to restock these. Who knows? It seems like it's not going to restock, but you may be surprised, maybe around December time. We'll see. Okay, last up is the lip kit, which is Naughty. I'm definitely interested to see how this one compares to the other reds that Kylie Cosmetics has, especially Mary Jo K. I love the design of the lip kit though. I think that it wearing a Santa hat is so cute. It also feels really nice and sparkly. I like it very much. I think this might be my favorite non-traditional Kylie Cosmetics lip kit box design. The packaging is really cute as well. It has the lips just like the minis do, and the lip liner is red, which is a first. So let's do some swatching. Naughty is a vibrant cherry pop red.
Sick of being told what to do.
is definitely the color red that I imagine for a holiday collection. I feel like it's the color red that Santa wears, you know, which I guess is why it's called Naughty List, because it's related to Santa. I totally get it. I think that this is a beautiful red. I'm definitely interested to see how this compares with Mary Jo K and her other reds. So next up is the swatch comparisons. As always, if there is a swatch that you feel you would like to see that I did not include, comment down below and I will get those swatch comparisons out to you as soon as I can. So first up we have Bear, Snowman Szn, and One Wish. Bear is the darkest, I believe, of the three. I'd say between all three, Bear is lighter and a little more peachy than Bear and One Wish. For the next batch, I have Wish You Were Here, Team Santa, and Angel. They're definitely very similar, all three of them. I would say that Team Santa is much darker and more mauve-y than Wish You Were Here and Angel. But they're extremely similar. I would even say Angel is just a lighter version of Team Santa. Next up, I have Posie K and Rosy Cheeks. I would say that Posie K is lighter and less mauve than Rosy Cheeks. Next up, I have Santa's Real and Boujee. I would say Boujee is much darker than Santa's Real. Next up, we have Boss and Keep the Receipt. I think that these two are similar, but Keep the Receipt is a couple shades lighter than Boss. Next up, we have Naughty is the New Nice and Kylie Klaus. Personally, I couldn't find anything in my collection that appeared to be similar to Kylie Klaus, but I wanted to compare it to a medal from a previous holiday collection. This is definitely much more sheer and has more gold pearls to it versus Naughty is the New Nice, which is more of a metallic red. And last up, I have Red Velvet, Naughty List, and Mary Jo K. I think that this goes from most red to bluish red as a scale. Red Velvet is the most orangey red compared to Naughty List, which has a more of a bluish red element, but then an even more bluer red element is Mary Jo K. And that's how you tell these apart. Remember, if there's any swatches you'd like to see me do besides these, just comment down below, let me know, and I'll get those swatch comparisons out to you as soon as I can. Thanks, guys. So that concludes my lip swatches of the Kylie Cosmetics holiday collection. I hope you guys thoroughly enjoyed it. I really truly hope that this is not my last Kylie Cosmetics video and that they continue not to test on animals. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please go to this timestamp. It's super important to me. We want to keep Kylie Cosmetics not testing on animals, all that jazz. So anyways, I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day, a lovely holiday. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe. All you have to do is click my face here and you can watch some of my other Kylie Cosmetics videos here. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your year.